Casey here with TFBTV. Welcome back to TFBTV Showtime for NRAM 2025 here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm, of course, here with my good friend, Mr. Mike Pappas. Mike, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. It's good to see you, Mike.
Dude, same, brother, same. I love that you take the time to talk with me.
I love that you take the time to talk with me, too. But we were just actually talking about this. This is completely unrelated to guns, but I love seeing Mike because Mike smiles, and he's happy, and he's doing well, and that makes me happy.
Same.
This,
you, like...
End the video right there.
Okay, that's it. We're done. Have a nice day.
In other good news, we're here to talk about Dead Air's new, I think, RXD 22 Ti, right?
Well, and this is the 30, RXD 30.
Okay, so this is a whole, okay, so the 30.
Yeah, so there's two cans, 30 caliber rifle, and this sweet little rimfire can.
Okay, so let's talk about the 30 first.
Okay, I like that. This is, and I'll just give you some highlights and kind of hit you with a little bit of the, more pertinent info. It's Triskelion baffle, which is a
those at home
back pressure, very high flow baffle design that we use in several cans.
Okay.
Mojave 9, 45, Lazarus, things like that. So we used that, and then it is Nomad baffle, so it's kind of a hybrid design. It has, in essence, the e-brake built into it. We changed the front cap. Now, it's the same front cap as far as threads and taper are concerned, but it now takes a 11/16 wrench. Okay, so you already have the front cap too, right?
Yeah.
Handy, right? And it's not hub taper, it's straight hub.
Straight hub, okay.
So it comes with a box and wrench that will slide over the can to hold the can. The adapter that it comes with is direct thread, but it has a little brake built into it.
Okay.
So that makes a little bit better sound, and it helps with erosion. It's a titanium print, so bolt gun can.
So so the tube itself is a titanium print.
The whole thing.
Oh, including the baffle.
Yeah, that's one piece of metal. It's all printed at the same time.
So all additive manufacturing here, of course, the front end cap obviously have to be made separately. So those
correct. Yes, sir. That's exactly right. So.
And you said that the biggest, I haven't heard it yet, obviously I just found out about it yesterday, but you said the tone and the noise reduction on this is just otherworldly compared to even your other cans.
I can't wait for people to get out and shoot this and to have it tested and people look at it and get around it. This is an amazing sound.
So with the 30 cal can, what's the hottest and largest caliber I can shoot for it without harming the can? One myself.
You can shoot any of your Magnum
30 cal, 338 blue Magnum, all that.
Well, not 338.
That's actually
it's 30 cal.
30 cal. That's right. Yeah.
So any of the larger 30 ultra, anything that you want.
And no barrel length restrictions or anything like that.
I believe it's barrel length restricted to 12 and a half inches.
Okay, yeah, much shorter than that. Then what are you doing?
Yeah, maybe you chose
honest.
in the wrong can, right?
Yeah, get out of here with your 4-inch barrels.
Yeah, this isn't for that.
Availability, it's available now.
It will be available in approximately a month or so.
Okay, about a month, and of course through your guys' typical distributor network, silencer shops.
We had it planned to have it available the day that we announced it yesterday.
Right.
We're a little behind on that, but it's...
I think everyone in the suppressor industry is kind of...
Yeah, it's been a struggle.
It's trying to keep up with the market.
There's been a lot going on, so we'll have it soon enough.
Okay.
There's thousands of them.
And
halfway through. So.
Price point on the RXD 30?
I believe it's right around $1,000.
Okay.
Don't quote me on that. They don't let me around the prices a lot. I'm now strong when it comes to pricing.
Yeah, right around $1,000. I don't think is a quotable term because I hear that a lot.
But I just let's just be sure. We haven't actually got it.
Maybe it's $1,000.
So it's not locked into it.
Yeah. Now, okay, so that's the 30 cal version. The 22 Ti, that's a bit of you guys have had a lot of good success with your mask. It's one of the most well-renowned 22 silencers on the market.
Mask has been super good to us.
What changes with the 22 Ti for the RXD?
It is actually it's a couple dB quieter. It's a monochord
of like
it's a little it's a totally different design. It's super straight. There's nothing to come loose. You don't have to, the core attaches to your firearm barrel.
To the barrel.
It has a very small. I should have gotten one. We'll do another video some of it. It has a little flash hider right there.
Oh, because similar to this. Okay.
Correct. So you will then put these mounts on the firearms you want to put it on. But the joy is you'll be able to put different thread pitches and put it on, not just half 28, so you don't have to do half 28 adapters.
Yeah, it streamlines
10 mil and things of that.
Yeah, it streamlines the process a little bit for people who are constantly changing suppressors.
Correct.
Makes sense. And price point availability on that one.
I believe that is right around. It's not quite 5, but I think it's right in the 5. It'll be
okay, yeah. So very affordable as most rimfire stuff is, but with new features, obviously, which we like to see because, like, I love the mask, and I hope this is better.
We all like a little progression, right? Let's get better at what we do.
Let's get better.
There's room for improvement everywhere.
Come here for more awesome tips from Mike Pappas on not just firearms, but life. I think we said that last time because this is the vibe we get when we're at Dead Air.
Well, I'm old and have a lot of life experience.
Well, we appreciate what it is for that, Mike. So thank you so much for showing us the new RX. Yeah, you too. And guys, stay tuned for more from TFB and TFBTV Showtime here from NRAM 2025.